Today my sister Tanji and I had so much fun playing in the garden and making these decorative pumpkins. So they are absolutely so much fun, and it's good to be very childlike, and it really stimulates good dopamine to the brain. So all we did was add little succulents. We did a glue gun. Careful not to get too burned, as I did a few times. But aren't those lovely? Those are going to be the centerpiece in my dining room. So a little creativity, a little child play, and you will also have a beautiful arrangements for the holidays. Spent the afternoon being creative, making these really beautiful decorative pumpkins. Just got a hot glue gun and glued some moss and then some succulents on there. Just got creative with it. So you can see this is going to make for a wonderful centerpiece for Thanksgiving. And these plants, interestingly enough, will stay alive for a really long time. Just give them a little spray and they will be beautiful all the way until Thanksgiving.